Number 1. 1978 Mercury Cougar XR 7 Coupe 2D. Price, $6,500. Located, Maize, Kansas. This 1978 Mercury Cougar XR 7 Coupe 2D is a well-preserved classic that has been carefully garage kept throughout its life. Showing only 59,632 miles, it features a rebuilt gasoline engine with a mild performance cam and documented build sheet. The automatic transmission includes a shift kit and performs smoothly. Finished in red with a white interior, this Cougar also comes with both a 3.55 rear differential and the original 2.73 unit. The air conditioning blows cold, while the power steering hoses and fuel tank have been recently replaced. Everything operates properly except the radio and cruise control. New fender trim is included, making this an outstanding example for collectors and classic car enthusiasts seeking originality and reliability. Number 2. 1969 Cadillac DeVille Concours Sedan 4D. Price, $5,995. Located Houston, Texas. This 1969 Cadillac DeVille Concours Sedan 4D is an elegant American luxury classic with only 40,250 original miles. It has remained with one owner and has been well cared for over the years. Finished in tan, this full-size sedan retains its classic styling and comfortable ride. The gasoline engine starts and runs, although it would benefit from a tune-up after extended storage. The vinyl roof shows minor bubbling, but the overall appearance remains very clean and presentable. The vehicle comes with a clean title and has no major damage or significant mechanical issues reported. This Cadillac offers an excellent opportunity for collectors seeking a solid restoration candidate or a rewarding vintage cruiser with low mileage. Number 3. 1966 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser. Price, $2,900. Located, Higdon, Arkansas. This 1966 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser is a highly desirable classic station wagon featuring its original third-row folding seat and many factory components. Showing approximately 100,000 miles, it still retains the original 330 Jetfire engine, factory air conditioning, power rear window, factory radio, and an added 8-track player. Although it has not been running for several years, the vehicle remains remarkably complete with a clear title. Some rust is present in the floor sections and front fenders, while the doors, rockers, and quarter panels remain solid with only minor imperfections. This Vista Cruiser is an excellent restoration project for enthusiasts seeking a rare and increasingly collectible American family wagon. Number 4. 1964 Ford Galaxie 500. Price, $5,500. Located, Tatum, Texas. This 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 is a classic full-size American cruiser powered by a strong 352 cubic inch big block engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The vehicle starts with a jump, runs well, drives smoothly, and stops using its original braking system. It will require carburetor work to perform at its best, making it a solid project for classic Ford enthusiasts. Finished in blue with a charcoal interior, it also includes Mustang wheels with adapters and an additional set of wheels and tires. The clean Arkansas title adds value, while the overall condition offers an excellent foundation for restoration or enjoyable weekend cruising. Number 5. 1981 Buick Riviera. Price, $8,000. Located, Denton, Texas. This 1981 Buick Riviera is a beautiful personal luxury coupe that runs and drives exceptionally well. Showing 82,921 miles, it has received numerous recent upgrades including a new water pump, power steering pump, Edelbrock carburetor, electric fuel pump, fuel hoses, complete ignition tune-up, exhaust system, brake components, and brand new tires. The beige exterior is free of rust, with only minor cosmetic imperfections, while the tan interior remains in impressive condition with minimal wear on the driver's seat. This Riviera delivers a smooth driving experience and eye-catching classic styling, making it an outstanding choice for collectors looking for a dependable vintage American luxury automobile. Number 6. 1959 Chevrolet Apache. Price, $8,800. Located El Paso, Texas. This 1959 Chevrolet Apache short bed pickup is a solid classic truck with excellent restoration potential. It runs, drives, and stops well while remaining free from rust. Powered by the dependable Thrift Master engine and equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, it offers an authentic vintage driving experience. Recent improvements include new dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers and attractive rally wheels fitted with new tires. The glass, chrome trim, bumpers, and interior are all in very good condition. Most lights and wipers function properly, although some gauges require attention. Minor body work is needed, making this an excellent opportunity for classic truck enthusiasts seeking a strong foundation. Number 7. 1985 Buick LeSabre. Price: $4,500. Located Longview, Texas. This 1985 Buick LeSabre is a dependable classic American sedan that offers an excellent opportunity for first-time collectors or restoration enthusiasts. The vehicle is described as a good running car that serves as a great starter project while maintaining its classic full-size comfort and timeless styling. Its solid overall condition provides a practical foundation for cosmetic improvements or preservation as an original survivor. The spacious interior and traditional Buick ride quality make it enjoyable for weekend cruising and local shows. Whether you are looking for an affordable vintage vehicle or an easy project to personalize, this LeSabre represents excellent value in the growing classic car market. Number 8. 1985 Cadillac Seville STS Touring Sedan 4D. Price: $6,500. Located Houston, Texas. This 1985 Cadillac Seville STS Touring Sedan 4D combines luxury, comfort, and classic American styling in a well-maintained package. Showing approximately 80,000 miles, the vehicle runs and drives well with no reported engine problems. Finished in charcoal with a gray interior, it presents an elegant appearance that reflects Cadillac craftsmanship of the era. The body is completely free from rust and includes a clean title, making it an attractive choice for collectors seeking a reliable vintage luxury sedan. Its comfortable ride, distinctive styling, and solid mechanical condition make this Seville an excellent candidate for regular enjoyment or preservation in a growing collection. Number 9. 1979 Ford F-150 Short Bed. Price: $8,500. Located Donna, Texas. This 1979 Ford F-150 short bed is a classic pickup that has been upgraded with a modern 5.3 engine conversion, providing improved performance while retaining its vintage appearance. Showing 111,111 miles, the truck runs and drives well according to the seller. Finished in red with a black interior, it offers the rugged styling and durability that have made the late 70s Ford trucks highly desirable among collectors and enthusiasts. This short bed configuration adds to its appeal and market value. Whether used for weekend cruising, local events, or future customization, this pickup represents an exciting blend of classic design and dependable upgraded performance. Number 10. 1973 Pontiac Catalina. Price: $2,300. Located Lolita, TX. This 1973 Pontiac Catalina 4-door sedan is an affordable classic powered by its original 400 engine paired with the original automatic transmission. Showing approximately 91,000 miles, it features a clean Texas title and has had only 2 owners. The blue exterior and matching blue interior highlight its authentic vintage appearance, while the interior remains in excellent condition. The vehicle includes 4 new tires and a matching spare wheel. Although it currently needs a fuel tank, the engine turns over with starter fluid, indicating it is not seized. This Catalina presents an excellent restoration opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an inexpensive full-size American classic. Number 11. 1977 Buick Regal 2-door. Price: $1,500. Located Covington, Georgia. This 1977 Buick Regal 2-door is an affordable classic coupe with excellent restoration potential. Owned by a single owner, the vehicle features its original blue interior, which remains in outstanding condition, along with a newly installed vinyl roof and a remarkably straight body. Powered by a gasoline V6 engine with an automatic transmission, the seller has not attempted to start the engine, so its operating condition is unknown. Despite that, the car presents a solid foundation for restoration thanks to its clean appearance and preserved originality. This Regal offers exceptional value for collectors seeking an inexpensive vintage American project car with strong future potential.